Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Honorable Chairman of the Examination Committee, respected examiner and distinguished lecturer. My name is Muhammad Asfi Alfar, student ID 1709888220004 from the Master Program in Management, Universitas Negeri Jakarta. Today, I would like to present my thesis entitled The Effect of Social Media Marketing, Service Quality, and Value Co-Creation on Customer Loyalty with Certification as an Intervening Variable. My presentation consists of the background, research objective, literature review, theoretical framework, research methodology, findings, and conclusion. Discussion. The presentation is divided into a section. First, I will explain the research background. Second, the research objective. Third, the relevant previous studies. Fourth, the theoretical and conceptual framework. Fifth, the research methodology. Six, the population and sample. Seven, the data analysis technique. Finally, I will present the research finding and conclusion. Background the problem. The background of this research is based on the rapid development of digital transformation. Today, social media has become one of the most important marketing channels for business. At the same time, the digital education industry has become increasingly competitive, requiring companies not only to promote their service but also to provide excellent service quality and involve customer in great values. PT Kelas Digi Kreatif mainly use Instagram and TikTok to attract and engage customers. However, according to many internal data, the number of customers declined from 360 customers in December 20 and 25 to 260 customers in March 20 and 26. The retention rate also decreased from 7.5% to 17 and 16.9 will customer crunch increase significantly. This phenomena indicate that address the new customer alone is not sufficient to maintain customer loyalty. Therefore, this research investigates the factor influencing customer loyalty. Research objective. Research purpose. The study has 10 research objectives. In general, the objectives are to analyze the effect to social media, service quality, and value co-creation on customer certification and customer loyalty. In addition, this research examines whether customer certification acts as a mediating variable between those independent variable and customer loyalty. Relevant research. Research on the social media. The first prevalence study was conducted by Jawadi and Rajadurai. The study found that social media market significantly influence customer loyalty through interactive communication, informative content, and customer engagement. These findings support the importance of social media marketing in building long-term customer relationship. B. Research on quality. Research on service quality. The second study was conducted by James Permoron and College in 20 and 22. Their research show that service quality has a significant positive effect on customer satisfaction, which subsequently leads to higher customer loyalty. The study highlights service quality as one of the key determination of customer retention. See research on value co-creation. The third study was conducted by Nguyen and Pham in 2023. Their findings indicate that customer participation in value creation positively influenced customer satisfaction and customer loyalty. The more customer participate in creating value, the stronger their loyalty becomes. D. Research using customer certification as mediation. Finally, Bonus Pasputra et al. Demonstrate that customer certification significantly mediates the relationship between social media marketing, product quality, and customer loyalty. The study strengthened the theoretical foundation for using customer certification as a mediating variable in my research model. Theoretical framework. This research is based on five major theories. The first is social media marketing, which include entertainment, informative, interaction, and customization. The second is service quality, measure using the serve wall dimension. The third, value co-creation, emphasizing collaboration between customer and the company. The fourth is customer certification, which is explained using the disconfirmation theory. Finally, customer loyalty refers to customers commit to continue purchasing and recommending the company's service. Conceptual framework. The figure is illustration the conceptual framework of my research. Social media marketing, service quality, and value co-creation are independent variables. Customer certification acts as the mediating variable. Customer loyalty is the dependent variable. Based on this framework, 10 research hypotheses were developed and tested using the PLSM approach. Research method. The study applied a quantitative research approach. The respondents are customers of PT Kelas Digi Kreatif who have participated in its digital trainings program. They were collected through an online questionnaire using Google Form. The questionnaire items were adapted from established theories and previous study. Population and sample. The population consists of 215,60 customer, 258 customer. Respondents were selected using purpose sampling. The creation include the customer who had previously used the company's service, were at least 17 years old, and were willing to complete the questionnaire. The research focused on customer experience between October 20 and 25 and March 20 and 26. Data analysis technique. The data were analyzed using Smart PLS. The analysis include validation testing, reliability testing, hypothesis testing, and mediation analysis using the Bootstraps method. PLSM was selected because it is suitable for testing both direct and indirect relationship among variables. Respondent characteristic. A total 215 respondents participated in this research. Male and female respondents were equally represented It's accounting for 50% more respondents were between 21 and 25 years old, representing approximately 64% of the sample. Most respondents also live in the Jabodetabek area. Data analysis results. Next, I will present the result of the measurement model evaluation and hypothesizing thesis. Convergent validity was assessed using order loading and average variance extracts or AVE. During the initial analysis, one indicator, X3.5, had an order loading below 0.6770 and was theoretically removed. After re-estimation, all remaining indicator achieve order loading value above 0.70. Additionally, all evaluations exceed 0.50. Therefore, all conduction meet the requirement for convergent validity. Discriminant validity. Discriminant validity was evaluating use cross-loading, the Fornell-Laker criterion, and STMT. The results show that every indicator load hedges on its own construct. Furthermore, all Fornell-Laker and STMT value satisfy the recommended criteria. Therefore, all constructs are empirically distinct from one another. The slide presents the detailed stratification result from cross-loading, the Fornell-Laker creation, and XTMT. Overall finding confirm that result model demonstration good declination validity. Reliability was evaluating using Cron-based alpha and composite reliability. All constructs achieve values above the recommended threshold of 0.70. Therefore, all measurement instruments are considered reliable and internally consistent. Direct effect, the hypothesis testing produced several important findings. First, social media marketing has no significant effect on customer certification or customer loyalty. Second, service quality has a significant positive effect on both customer certification and customer loyalty. Third, value co-creation also has significant positive effect on customer certification and customer loyalty. Finally, customer certification significant influence customer loyalty. Indirect effect. Regarding the mediation analysis, customer certification significantly mediates only the relationship between service quality and customer loyalty. Moreover, customer certification does not significantly mediate the relationship involving social media marketing or value co-creation. Conclusion based on the finding, several conclusions can be drawn. First, social media marketing does not significantly influence customer certification or customer loyalty. Second, service quality has a positive and significant effect on both customer certification and customer loyalty. Moreover, customer certification successfully mediate this relationship. Third, value co-creation positively customer certification, and customer loyalty. But the mediation effect through customer certification is not significant. Therefore, improvement service quality should be the company's primary strategy for strengthening customer loyalty. This concludes my presentation. Thank you very much for your attention. I certainly appreciate your time and I welcome any question, comment, or suggestion regarding my research. Thank you.